Hello, my name is Vlad, and I'm a Customer Success Manager here at Serpstat. Today, I'll guide you through step-by-step instructions for setting up a rank tracking project. Let's dive in. To get started, click on the Rank Tracker tool and move to Project Overview. If you already have an existing project, simply click on Start Tracking or go to Ranking Overview Settings. First, select your tracking type. You can choose to track keywords by the project domain, the whole site, an exact URL, or a URL prefix. This flexibility allows precise tracking based on your specific needs. If your domain has mirrors, enter them here. Don't forget to add competitors from the top table to track their positions. It's free, doesn't consume any credits, and there's no limit to how many competitors you can add. The tracking schedule is highly flexible. You can choose to track daily, select specific days of the week, or even certain dates of the month. Next, choose your time zone. Your keywords will be tracked at midnight in your selected time zone. You can also toggle off automatic tracking by clicking here. Choose your search engine, then select device type, country, and if needed, state or city. Each search region added will multiply the credits charged. For example, if you have 2 regions and 10 keywords, you'll use 20 credits. Finally, let's add keywords. You have 3 options: type in keywords manually, use suggested keywords by country, or import keywords from a file. Just remember to follow the specified data format. Tags allow you to group keywords for easier analysis. Expected URLs ensure that specific pages rank for your key phrases, which you can assign to project keywords. And that's it. If you have any additional questions, feel free to contact your account manager or our support team. Thank you for watching and happy tracking. Goodbye.